Hi y'all, it's your girl Liz here coming at you. And today I got my Sephora order in for my birthday. Now because I'm having fun with unboxings, I decided to try the little mini kit that they have. So we're gonna see that and my birthday gift that I picked, and let's get to it, shall we? Here we go. Ooh, I'm so excited. Here we go. Ooh, I'm so excited. And I love Sephora's shipping. It's always free for the most part. And yeah, I just enjoy how quick they come, because they do come quickly. Let me get the card out with the receipt and open it up. You see all this inside. And let's see, what are my samples? I got a Pat McGrath sample card with the shade Flush. Very cool. And I got a Forever Liquid Dior card. See a little brush. That'll be nice. That'll last quite a few rounds. And let's see what else I got. I got my birthday gift. Now they had other gifts to pick. You could pick a Mika or Thompson. I picked that one. And I got this bag. And my mini melt. I'll tell you about that too. So let's get started, shall we? So here's how this goes. Let's start with the melt. Everybody who knows Sephora knows you get points. And I used my points to get this little thing. How cute is that? Okay, so we're gonna open it up. And this was 100 points, but that's okay. And I didn't spend enough to get another free gift. Usually I do, but that's okay because I did free shipping. So I used to belong to the one where you paid yearly for free shipping, but I didn't see that option. It's like it disappeared. Okay, you can see the color right there. It's a good tonnage. That's a nice color. It has a decent amount of lipstick. And it's really, I mean, it's cute. It's tiny. Okay, so put that there. Next, we're gonna do the birthday thing. Everybody gets a birthday gift every year with Sephora, and they always have choices. They had a Tatcha one, they had an Amika one, and they had this one and one other one that was online but was sold out anyway, so I didn't really pay attention to it. Now, because I'm allergic to scented things a lot and I'm really sensitive skinned, I'm actually a little broken out under here because I tried something. And I'm allergic to citrus. I decided to go for the makeup side because I usually don't react to makeup very much. So I got this, the Laura Mercier. But I will say, if you're not allergic, the Amika and Tatcha one looked pretty good, actually. Okay, let's see what I got. I got translucent powder, which is cool. So I got another jar of that for the year. That'll last me longer than a year because I don't use it very often. And I've got a strapless eyeshadow pen. So that was my birthday gift, and it came in nice, and as you can see, it's got a pretty coloring. Let's swatch it a little. So you can see that gold tone. Very pretty. So that'll be nice. It's actually pretty smooth and creamy. That's gonna be a nice one, I think. So I got that. And let's see how to open. Oh, I think you just, oh, it's open. Okay. And then this is what I was talking about. Everybody loves their sub boxes. Sephora has a version. They had a version. They got rid of it and they made this, Hello. And there are like 2 different kinds on the site right now. And this is the one I got. It's Hello. Let's see what's inside. It says 15% off inside. And these aren't a bad price. Here's my 15% off card. And it's off each item inside of my kit that I have to try. So any item in here that I like, I can get the full size for 15% off. That part's cool. Anyway, it's like 10 bucks and you get to try different things. And so I share them with my daughter. And so I figured, yeah, why not? It's my birthday. We're going for it. So let's see. There's Burberry Her perfume. A little sample bottle. So I'm sure she'll like that. Yep, that's for Bella. It's got lemon in it. So that's hers. And Soft Pink Matted Liquid Blush. Different. By Rare Beauty. So let's open that one up. See what's in there. See the little blush. That almost makes it look pink. It's not quite. I guess it is a little pink. Let's open it up and try it. No ma'am, Summer. My pup is running in a little. Can you see the blush colors right there? Oh, that's a dark blush. Oh, I might not use it as blush. I might use it more for eyeshadow or lipstick, but it's kind of pretty though. It's got a nice tonage to it. I just don't know if I want to go that dark. We'll see. You put that in here. Okay, and then we have Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. This is the one I'm hoping will work for me. I haven't tried it yet, so we'll see. I've been looking for a good cleanser. So there's that one. It's a cute little jar. I love the, I think it's glass. It is, it's a glass jar. Very cute. So I got that in there. Let's see what else I got. Better Not Young Hair Redemption Restorative Butter Mask. I don't know if it's open. Let me see. Let's see what we got. Oh, it smells good. That's a strong smell, but it's a good smell. It almost smells like, kind of smells like baby powder. It's very different. So it's a restorative butter mask for your hair. So there's that. And then the next one I have is Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost. Looks like Tarte makes this, doesn't it? Ooh, that's a strong menthol smell. I don't know if I like that one, but you know. Let's see. Yep, it's Tarte. T-A-R-T, they make this one. So that's their H2O one. And then I have a puppy. I'll take her up here in a minute to say hi to y'all. Ultra Repair Cream from First Aid Beauty. Now I do use this actually. I've used this a lot. I have psoriatic arthritis actually. It'll break open and bleed if I'm not careful. And this actually helps to heal it. So I do like this one. So I'll be using this one a lot. So anywho, that's what I got. So that was my Sephora bundle. Not bad for 10 bucks. I mean, I did get a lot. I'll let you guys say hi to Summer real quick. That's he's begging to come up. This is Summer. Say hi, Summer. What'd you see? You see Mommy's makeup? Let's set you in Daddy's chair, okay? Here you go. There you go. Sit, baby. And as you can see, she is, we'll drag her up against me. Say hey, everybody. Yeah, there's my baby girl. So now she got her seat and I got my seat and she's probably looking for a way down, but that's okay. So yeah, this is my Sephora haul for 10 bucks. The bag had, because the bag is what I bought, the card for 15% off the different brands, and the H2O Tarte, and the hair mask, and the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, and the Clinique Take Off the Day Cleanser, and the Burberry perfume, and the liquid blush by Rare Beauty. And then, so this is the bag, if you got the Hello bag. Is it worth 10? I mean, these are designer brands, so maybe, I don't know, we'll see. I might try another one later. We'll see how it goes. Okay, at least it was free shipping, so I'll give them that. Okay, and then the birthday gift this year for me was the Laura Mercier, if you guys are considering it. And that one is the eyeshadow stick and the translucent powder. And then my freebie with my 100 points I had laying around was my melt. Very pretty. I actually do like that one a lot. And that'll be a great travel one. And then my 2 free samples, because you get 2 free samples every time you do it online, is the Dior, which I'm excited about. And I'm actually excited about this too, even though it's a small card, the Pat McGrath Labs, because I've been wanting to try them. So we'll see. So yeah, so that's everything. I hope you all have a good day. Bye, y'all.